sign is still illuminated when our captain switches the sign off. You may move about the cabin. Please don't leave your seats before then, and please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated. Also, take care when opening the overhead lockers. We ask that you use the lavatories located in your cabin, and please refrain from congregating around the lavatories and galleys. For customers in the main cabin, there are 3 lavatories you can use, 2 in the rear of the aircraft and 1 lavatory at mid-cabin. First cabin customers, there are 2 lavatories at either end of the first cabin, but the lavatory adjacent to the cockpit door is reserved for first cabin customers and our flight deck crew member use only. A blue curtain will be placed between the 2 cabins to help remind you of this policy. We appreciate your cooperation. And we want to welcome our Mileage Plus members who are earning award miles for today's flight. To become a member, visit United.com. We're proud to be a founding member of Star Alliance, offering our customers more destinations than any other alliance in the world. A copy of the SkyMall catalog is yours to keep and features a selection of unique products and gifts. Video entertainment begins momentarily and can be heard on Channel 1. We'll be serving a variety of complimentary drinks as well as alcoholic beverages for purchase. If you're a coffee or tea drinker when ordering your hot beverage, tell us how you like it, such as coffee black, tea with milk, etc. In United Economy, there are 3 snack boxes which you can purchase as well as other associated treats. The menu for the snack boxes and the treat items as well as our drink menu can be found on the last page. Last pages of the Hemispheres magazine. We accept most major debit and credit cards, including those with the Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express logo, as well as the Mileage Plus Explorer Visa card. And lastly, before using your larger portable electronic equipment such as laptops, please wait just another 2 minutes or so until you hear a double chime over the aircraft public address system, which indicates we've reached 10,000 feet. If there's anything we can do to help make this a nicer trip for you today, let us know. Welcome aboard.